All right, our lesson. So what's the distance between these two coordinates? So these two ordered pairs. What we're going to do, remember, first what we can do is write down what our ordered pairs are. So we have a 6 and a 12 and a 6 and a -2. So these sixes match up and they're going to go off into the sunset together. We don't need to worry about them. What we are going to take a look at is this coordinate, our y coordinate here. Oh, perfect. The 12 is a positive, -2 is a negative. So we have a positive and a negative. Are they going to be the same or are they different? Well, one's positive, one's negative, so they're different. So that means we're going to add. So we are going to add the absolute values. So we're going to add the absolute value of 12 and the absolute value of -2. We're going to add them up. Remember, absolute value is always positive. So all we're doing is taking 12 plus 2. So 12 plus 2 is going to be 14. So all you're going to do for that answer is put 14. 14, and it's going to be units. 14 units. Perfect. Let's take a look at the next one. So in our coordinate plane, what's the distance between these 2 points? So we have 5, 10, 5, 7. Oh, the 5s match up. They're a pair. They're going to go off into the sunset. We don't need to worry about them. Now we do need to worry about our 10 and our 7. 10 is a positive. 7 is a positive. They are the same sign. So if they're the same sign, we're going to subtract. We're going to subtract our bigger number minus our smaller number. So guess what? All we're going to do is 10 minus 7. 10 minus 7. So our absolute value of 10 is still 10. Absolute value of 7 is still 7. 10 minus 7, 3. So all that our answer is going to be is 3. 3, and then we'll put units. 3 units. And that's it for our lesson. Great job.